Kokomi team arrives in Imphal. Kokomi coordinator Sunil Karam says boycotting on Manipur Sangai Festival 2019 is not lifted yet. Chief Minister appeals to Kokomi and public to lift boycotting of Sangai Festival to make the festival a grand success. Reliable sources says former chairman of Proscribe UNLF R.K. Meghan is likely to arrive in Imphal tomorrow. CJM Imphal West grants bail to accused P.H. Robinson, who was arrested in connection with mysterious death of Standard Robert Girls School girl student. And Shiv Sena NCP Congress combined chief ministerial candidate Uddhav Thackeray stake claim to form government in Maharashtra. Kurumjari, good evening. You're watching Wednesday Primetime English News on Impact TV. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari with you. Our top stories this evening. Kokomi coordinator Sunil Karam today asserted that Kokomi has not withdrawn boycotting of the Manipur Sangai Festival 2019 and it will continue to boycott the festival. It may be stated that 18-membered team of Kokomi held a meeting with Union Home Minister Amit Shah and other central leaders in Delhi last night. Speaking to media upon their arrival at Imphal International Airport today, Sunil Karam said that Union Minister Amit Shah has assured that Manipur will not be disintegrated by the final outcome of the Naga peace talks. However, he failed to give a written assurance on the same. Expressing dissatisfaction with the Union Home Minister's assurance, Sunil Karam asserted that Kokomi will hold a public meet on November 29 to decide on the next necessary measures. Speaking on the sidelines, Kokomi media coordinator Jitendra Ningombam urged media houses of Manipur to take a firm stand in protecting the state's integrity.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯠꯆꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯊꯧꯔꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯂꯥꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯇꯥꯡ 19ꯒꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯝꯃꯛꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯗꯤꯇꯦꯜ ꯂꯩꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯈꯣꯡꯊꯥꯡ ꯊꯥꯡꯒꯗꯒꯦꯁꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯥꯡ 19ꯗ ꯄꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯛ ꯀꯟꯚꯦꯟꯁꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯏꯔꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛ ꯏꯟꯚꯥꯏꯠ ꯐꯪꯕ ꯐꯪꯗꯕ ꯊꯤꯗꯅ ꯃꯤꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯠꯊꯥꯡꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯤꯔꯒꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯏꯕ ꯐꯤꯕꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯈꯣꯡꯊꯥꯡ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯞ ꯂꯧꯃꯤꯟꯅꯒꯗꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯥꯡ 19ꯗ ꯂꯦꯞꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯁꯤ ꯕꯣꯏꯀꯣꯠꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯐꯥꯎꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯣꯀꯣꯃꯤꯅ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯟꯈꯤꯕ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯪ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯑꯍꯣꯡꯕ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯑꯦꯅꯤ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯑꯃꯇꯒꯤ ꯑꯍꯣꯡꯕ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯤꯜ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯧꯔꯤ ꯑꯍꯣꯡꯕ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯪ ꯑꯃꯇ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯇꯥꯡ 19 ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯑꯥꯎꯠꯀꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯅꯤ
ꯑꯩ ꯀꯃꯦꯟ ꯄꯤꯖꯔꯣ ꯑꯩ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯖꯗꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯀꯤ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯅꯨ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯀꯟꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯅꯀꯣ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯥꯡ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯌꯣꯕ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯅ꯭ꯌꯨꯁ ꯄꯦꯄꯔꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯒꯨꯝꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯅ꯭ꯌꯨꯁ ꯄꯦꯄꯔꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯕꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯤꯌꯣ.
Chief Minister Nongthoma Biren has appealed to Kokomi and the public to withdraw the boycott on the Manipur Sangai Festival 2019 as the state government has already given into their demands. Speaking to media at the Chief Minister's Darbar Hall at Babupara in the presence of ministers and MLAs today, Chief Minister N. Biren asserted that the Union Home Minister of India has assured Kokomi representatives that the territorial integrity of Manipur will not be affected at any cost by the final outcome of the Naga peace talks. He appealed to Kokomi leaders to withdraw their boycott on the festival without waiting for the November 29 Special Assembly session. Chief Minister Biren also appealed to the public to fully participate in the festival in consideration of those foreign stall owners and tourists who have come to join the festival.
Sarkar sina chathajariba laujariba yam akanba lebak sigi state sigi amatto oiba ngangnanaba punna leiminanaba Manipur gi punba saktam kaidanaba leiminanaba jati khudimaki interest hoktanaba honajariba se maseda support tobiu aduga Kokomi gi sinau singsu nakhoina government da tan ki demand animak ekoi thungne assembly phangbo dore home minister appointment lo do chalaga unarure project lem na handok pi yare in the larger interest ekoi sigi sangai festival ma taw busna mar mor kan hayeng amuk darkar lair kan sathani hare lore akhoi su yauni maram charak traba akhoi da vidre tawro ba oi da kan kai ga da ba leba ki soi ga da ba agadi ko ko mi dem nate ekhoi su ekhoi government pai ba ekhoi ne ekhoi mang tha ja doi na hajeri ba aduna ai mayam da appeal tawningi nimini humni da sungai re sangai festival sima pung phan biu.
Chief Minister N. Biren asserted that he has personally urged the Union Home Minister Amit Shah to add a protective clause for Manipur even if the Citizenship Amendment Bill has to be passed in the Parliament. Stating that the Union Home Minister has assured of adding a protective clause, the Chief Minister appealed to the public not to be apprehensive about the bill anymore.
Kiev ki matang da ikoi ki Manipur ki soktna bagi amoiro koi kanna khanari ai chief secretary athanambi numit humni gi mamang da gi chief secretary tharo salabani numit adu gi mamang da DG salabani adu gi matung da ikoi na su puba ya ba constitution gi kari gi loina tanar kan karai da kari hapa ya ge sigi suggestion piro haina koi suggestion thamjarame anu Manipur praja da government ne mai khoi lei popular ministry ma lei bani na government da thajaba thambiu ai khoi chin na ma haraga khun na ma tawba adugumba government adugi leadership do khoi gi marks de yog de khoi natte ai khoi hana ju hai gre state sigi da makta state si da kariguma kai ba pirak da boiraga di khoi pham ne hana lu de se khoi hana hai khra bani.
Former chairman of proscribed United National Liberation Front UNLF, R.K. Megan, alias Sanayama, who has recently served over 9 years jail term at Guwahati Central Jail, is reportedly arriving in Imphal tomorrow. Impact News sources said that R.K. Megan, alias Sanayama, was confined by NIA at a guest house in New Delhi right after his prison release from Guwahati Central Jail on November 9. It may be mentioned that various human rights activists has filed cases against his confinement right after his prison release without giving any proper reasons. R.K. Megan was born on September 21, 1946. He joined United National Liberation Front, which is one of the major insurgent groups of Manipur, in 1967 and became the acting Secretary External Affairs of the outfit in 1969. He became a member of Revolution Coordination Committee in 1970 and a Central Committee member of the outfit in 1973. He went underground in 1975. R.K. Megan was elected as General Secretary of the outfit in 1984 and took active role in running the outfit at Kaching Lane in 1985. He joined the Working Group of Indigenous Peoples Population Geneva in 1995 to 1996. R.K. Megan became chairman of UNLF in 1998. Police arrested him in 2010 and after undergoing trials, he was sentenced for prison term at Guwahati Central Jail. CJM Imphal West Court today granted bail to the jail's junior administrator of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kanchpur, Fairojam Robinson, who was arrested by the state police in connection with the mysterious death of a girl student of the school. Court granted the bail on PR bond of 2 lakh rupees. Upon hearing the news, members of the JC formed against the suspicious death of the girl student stormed at Cherab Court Complex, vehemently objecting the bail grant to P.H. Robinson. Sources said that scuffles occurred when one person who claimed to be Robinson's brother hurled insults to the JC members. Security personnel of the court failed to contain the irate agitators, following which additional police personnel arrived at the spot and managed to divert the protesters outside the court complex. It may be mentioned that the court has already granted bail to the school principal and mother of Robinson, Fairujam Landhoni, and her daughter, P.H. Romita, who were earlier jailed in connection with the mysterious death of the girl student in the school hostel room. Acting on a tip-off, a team of anti-smuggling unit Custom Division Imphal seized 40,000 Rolex Your tablets and 700 grams of heroin powder worth around 5 crore rupees from an individual yesterday. The miscreant carrying the contraband drugs is identified as 21-year-old Muhammad Ilyas Khan, son of Muhammad Ashraf Ali from Sangai Yumpham, Fulai Pokpi Mathak under Wangjing Police Station. The team led by SP of Anti-Smuggling Unit Custom Division Impal P. Robin caught him carrying the drugs in an A-star car at Wangbal, Langkotpat in Thoubal district at around 4 p.m. Speaking to media at Customs Office in Sangakpam today, SP P. Robin urged people to cooperate in curbing drug managed from the state. He asserted that the Customs Department will continue carrying out such anti-drugs drives in the state. The miscreant has been booked under NDPS Act 1985 and investigations are underway.
Experience Muslim that Ngam school Halapos, the man of Hayam hired the Mayam, Yang Sasatra, Chenzilla, Ganda, I demanded a scuto Honaboga. When the high machine drugs need, no Sankano, have the Moy Handokre, Hadi drugs for the Angambo support to Mum Lak, was he could tunged Zati, you in Haitaraka, Moy think Saban at the Moyon, Wenataba, Sandropia, but we can't honor and took Jabani machine. The home Sumagi, any other possible mangi tongue, drowned with Shana Pagre. Some idea than bust the thing that Sumbazi when a Mingation label the Haitago, Mayam, drug size illegal business of Wasanaga, Sarkario, revenue the Mangzable labor. Why they didn't see more in the Sinabina when a matak the Honada, she was that. So she told them,
12th Assam Rifles seized contraband items worth around 28 lakh rupees from an individual during a frisking operation conducted at Permanent Motor Vehicle Checkpost Kudeng Thabi on November 24th. The miscreant is 43-year-old Laishram Krishnamani from Wangoi. He was handed over to More police for necessary actions. Education Minister Thokchom Radhesham released 327 appointment orders to fill up various vacant posts of teaching and non-teaching staffs at government-aided schools today. The minister handed over the appointment letters to 137 graduate teachers, 168 primary teachers, 9 primary teachers Hindi and 13 lower division clerks at the event organized by the Education S Department at his office in Lampalpat. Speaking on the occasion, Minister T.H. Radhesham assured that other vacant posts at government-aided schools will be filled up in the near future. He maintained that the government is even planning to upgrade grant in 8 schools into full-fledged government schools.
Punna wigi sanction posts see listing of Magasatru Marfu Teret Laven. Aduga vacancies na 387 or 327 so Makun Tereti Api Punna fill up the Aham Kitan Asway Bakra lady at the Api Karikata or Mating Bambi Yam Kana court later. Was our schools was our Isas in Tamala, Tamaning Tamaning with Rasin and Jennings. Was I am 9 was I am Tamangani High even a hang Tamanda Taragati. Other day was asking the country rocket again. Yam Maita improvement lacking. I photo and senator. I was asking a bill of the I Bacarado, other full potential Tatopio.
Members of Federation of Government College Teachers Association FEGOCTA have asserted that they will withdraw their cease work strike only when their demands are fulfilled by the government. Taking part in the cease work strike carried out by government college teachers against the government's failure to implement 7th UGC pay scale and regulations 2018 at GP Women College campus today, General Secretary of FEGOCTA, Dr. N. Somarendro, disclosed that members of the association will meet with Education Minister Thokchom Radhesham at 4:30 this evening. He asserted that they will withdraw their protest if an agreement is reached during the meeting, but warned of continuing their agitation if their demands are left unfulfilled.
4th November da government na pyoktan taliba demand 7 UCP regulation 18C ngai biu haibani adugi matung da government na karinta reply pirak tabadagi leba ki rang yanga satragi khalaga khoji thokang lakpani manipur da laba yam thibam na koina agitation na taga pressure piring thabak tawbasida ngai taba aduga mamang da su oja sing se yam discrimination atopa employee ga india gi college oja sing yengnabsidagi koina ki bam leidana seswak se tarikun dei changsalak bani asi se tare suban nomini fortunately haibatare government gi side gi honorable education minister gi office gi ngasi je FEGOCTA da invitation ma pire 4:30 da lakpiu haidana do khoi satkani karigumba yanaba prokta badudi khoi gi government na thamakada terms and conditions gi makha poli karigumba khoi gi terms and conditions gi khoina yabe mong da tawdragadi strike hanro haibagi stand se fyokda gi side gi thamjage.
State Council of Educational Research and Training (SCRT) Manipur kicked off 4-day training on teaching methodology of social sciences for elementary school teachers at Hindi Teachers Training Institute DM College campus today. Speaking on the occasion, SCRT Manipur OSD cum program coordinator of the training program, Y. Nandini, said that the program aimed to equip the attending teachers in creating social consciousness among the youths. More than 30 elementary school teachers are taking part in the program.
Tungi yumbire orakadoriba angangsing asida samaj asida kari chatnari karamba phije chakcha setkani karamba wangang changa ngangani asina chingba chingasi mamutana khanghanaba amadi maihorol lagi hauna chatnarakliba punamak ase khanghananaba aduga aikhoigi samaj asida tongan ba jati kayamrum leiri jati sing asigi tongan ba culture tradition tongan lei adubu akhoigi angangsing asida aikhoi amatani haibagi wakhalol ase chelhannabagi damakta asumba training program ase pangthok chabani.
Darjeeling MP Raju Bista drew the attention of the Lok Sabha of the ongoing winter session of the Parliament on measures being taken to protect the Loktak Lek and Kaibul Lamjau. The MP also pointed out that farmers of Manipur are facing major plights relating to floods due to the Ithai barrage and asked about steps being taken to save the endangered Sangai. Responding to the MP's queries, donor minister said that floods around the lake is caused due to the Suknu hump underneath the Ithai barrage. He maintained that the government of Manipur has already sent a proposal to the Brahmaputra board to come up with a master plan for dredging river banks. He added that various measures are being undertaken to protect the endangered Sangai. Women victims of crimes and representatives of women civil society bodies from 10 districts of the state held a meeting today as a part of the ongoing Convention on Rights of Women. Women Action for Development (WAD) organized a meet at Diashen Social Service Society (DSSS) conference held in Mantrabukhi. Attendees discussed on inconveniences facing women in the field of agriculture, health, water, climate change, crime against women, government scheme and education. They also stressed on the need to serve justice to victims, to curb violence against women and children, to enhance forensic laboratories, to provide DNA testing machines, to keep honest judge, to update school syllabus with gender-based issues, to choose dutiful police officers and investigating officers, etc. Speaking on the sidelines, WAD Secretary Sobita Mangsatabam said that the event was held as a part of activism against gender-based violence campaign held every year.
Victims sing su yaure adu loinana khoi nupi leader singna makhoi gi oiba akoina especially handaki sahi gi theme si rapes neba akoi ka hatare stand against rape aduga generation equality haiba theme jida pangthok pasiga mari leinana rape sigi mayokta khoi mayam je puna mak stand tawminaraga khoi thabak tawgani haibegi phirep ama makhoina lawrakpaduda khoi ngasi je press meet kaubane aduga hayengsina khoi loisanba numit saisida tongan ba recommendation declaration
A student of KT school sustained serious injuries after a passenger bus crashed at Kangpok People Station gate today. Impact News sources said that the incident occurred at around 2:45 this afternoon. The passenger bus bearing registration number MN03B008 passing through Kangpokpi district was driven by one Inaucha Mite from Kangpokpi Santi Veng Ward number 7. The injured student is Thanko Chen, son of Seko Lovam from Kaithel Manbe, who is currently studying at KT school. The student is said to be in a critical condition. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring news on formation of Shiv Sena NCP Congress combined government in Maharashtra. We'll be back with the more news update. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Wednesday Primetime English News on Impact TV. Shiv Sena NCP Congress combined chief ministerial candidate Uddhav Thackeray has staked claim to form government in Maharashtra. Having been elected as the common nominee of the three parties for the top post, Uddhav Thackeray last night reached Raj Bhavan to meet Governor Bhagat Singh Koshari and stake claim for the Maharashtra Vikas Aghadi. Uddhav Thackeray will take oath as Maharashtra Chief Minister at 6:40 p.m. tomorrow at the Shivaji Park, Dadar. The decision to elect Uddhav Thackeray as nominee for Chief Minister post was taken at a joint meeting of the three parties at the Sarban Hotel in Mumbai yesterday, hours after the four-day-old BJP government led by Devendra Fadnavis and supported by NCP's Ajit Pawar collapsed. The leaders of the three parties submitted a letter claiming support of 166 MLAs to the governor. A special session of the Maharashtra Legislative Assembly began in Mumbai this morning to administer oath to members in the 288th member house. Pro-term Speaker Kalidas Kolambkar administered oath to the legislators at the session. Founder of Janet Academy, Dr. S. Manauton, has extended financial assistance and food items to physically challenged Soibam Jitain, who is blind, deaf, dumb and paralyzed on the right side of the body. Speaking on the sidelines, Dr. S. Manauton criticized the state leaders for failing to reach the benefits of various central schemes to poor and physically challenged people. Speaking to media at the residence of Jitain in Malom Tuliaima Awang Laikai in Nauria Pakanglakpa constituency today, he appealed to the government to provide a proper shelter for Jitain at the earliest. Dr. S. Manauton assured that he will provide monthly expenses and shelter for Jitain if the government failed to do so. Local residents have also urged the authority concerned to provide a proper shelter and necessary assistance to Jitain, who is left all by himself. They condemn local MLA S. Subhash Chandra for not providing any assistance to destitute Jitain.
Mapajina Lokta project the Tabak Matam to Jeremy, a day Puragane like shoot them the Namapajiga Dum Lami, a day Mamiche, Pon Torok Tenane, Abela, the Talaga Kolu, but the Hapayade, Tangana, and the man Tang Maji Chown of the young one and like I know Yolo Paneva. I don't know you could don't jade Macha meet Havangan to the Tajara, be stock, I need a hundred give a degi, Maji Yim, be never amateur later.
Taram Bayai, Taram Dry, Kangam Bayai, Kangam the Bayai, Karigi Kangway, Ado Koigi Kendregi. Email is he a coin yam pendre, but sick I don't lady haiba. Other than Moy Caridone emailing Haibagi, Moy Botadram Dida, Yam Pamado, the minor sea, Kitang Ming Changbi Ragadi, Mao is a pen away.
Manipur State Sumang Lila Council has condoled upon the demise of renowned Sumang Lila artist R.K. Nungshitombi, who passed away at the age of 85 on November 16. R.K. Nungshitombi is famous for her role as Manao Ibungo Chingkuba Sabi in Moirang Parba series Loi Kumba and Loi Karakpa. She is survived by her 2 sons and 4 daughters. Members of Sumang Lila Council paid floral tributes to the portrait of R.K. Nungshitombi and performed rites at the condolence ceremony held at her residence in Hairangoi Thong, Ahong Sabam Laikai today. Attending the event, Lifetime General Secretary of the Council S. Hemanta extolled the late artist for her immense contributions in reviving and preserving the Moirang Parba series. He asserted that the sudden demise of R.K. Nungshitombi is a great loss to the Sumang Kumhai fraternity of the state. It may be mentioned that late R.K. Nungshitombi bagged several awards in the field of Sumang Kumhai. She also achieved the Best Supporting Actor award for her role in Manao Ibungo in the stage play title Moirang Awafam Thadokpa by Manipur Women Artists Association in the Manipur Sumang Lila Festival of 1995 organized by Manipur State Kala Academy.
magi legi du du ki mayum du da nungai junu ya bi marang kai junu ane lai da junu magi sumang du season da du na koi na mi phom pang thok po lo na magi matik makun thagat ba sumang ma myu sing se amuk lakhi ga do ni ko haidana isor da prathana tok jubagi damak ta pang thok condolence program ni loina na saranjali gi program ni aduna timbiri ba lakhiba mi khudimangna magi matik magun angak pa phangna thagat narak pasda akoina khangam da matik magun kaya amasu maonda leire aduna ma se satkhiba matamda khoi sumang lagi menkhat pa ngam hoidaba ahuba ma awapa ma adum lehoragani haiba wapam se ai Manipur State Sumangla Council mai ke degi thamjari.
People of First Royal tributes to the portrait of late former founder member of Bharatiya Mazdoor Sangh Datopan Tengari at GM Hall today as part of the year-long centenary celebrations organized by Datopan Tengari Birth Centenary Celebration Committee, Manipur State. Speaking at the event, Commerce and Industry Minister Thongam Beswajit criticized the previous government of ruining the country. While he said that Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government is striving to attain a new India in the short span of 5 years. He maintained that every department of Manipur will become efficient under the guidance of the State Chief Minister. He mentioned that the Industries Department is taking possible steps to enhance the work and labor force of the state. Biswajit said that the government has initiated various women empowering schemes and promoted entrepreneurs. Asserting that pilot project of cotton plantation in Jiribam is successful, the minister asserted that cotton clothes produced in the state will be made available in the near future. Minister Thongam Beswajit also mentioned that efforts are on to set up a sugar factory at Kokching. President of Bharatiya Mazdoor Sangh, C.K. Saji Narayan, President of Datopan Tengari Birth Centenary Celebration Committee, Manipur, Dr. Sanam Rajendra, Northeast in charge of Bharatiya Mazdoor Sangh and Tomba, and many eminent people attended the event.
Karamba party na independent phangaba matung dagi India se rule torga lakhi anu sahi kya se India se manghal lamge haibase aji khana ningai darkar oreba Bharat ki prime minister na leiriba India new India ma semne haiba matam se da akhogi 5 trillion economy India se leraba matam da new India se oibang ngongani haiba wakhalon ga 5 trillion ki economy se plan to hogre sigi manung dani new Manipur ma semang moidu se kari gino honorable chief minister su khana hona biri anu department khudimak sta aduna khoi soom ba naram ba lerama puna mak se laeng ba tabu matam da sahi manga na kona roi Manipur da stay da BJP sarkar la kari taurige matam du sinagi ba paisa changi ba matam du ga ekhoina tauri posi ga de ekhoi de 100% yormani moina 20% da leramane ba taw de krai da kari taurige adane moje aine haibado haribo party do mana pangba mamit udaba adu wakhan khamdang ngamdaba mioi jingi party oire.
Organization for India Women Against Crime in a press release urged the authorities concerned to solve the mysterious death of Bidya Rani from Thobal Ningombam at the earliest. Journal Education Officer Kokching under the aegis of Directorate of Education S. Manipur organized a district-level cooking competition for cooks under midday meal scheme today. Joint Secretary of Finance DC Nailengthang Thailand and Jet EO Kokching Y. Achoba attended the event held at Jet EO office Kokching. Top 3 winners of the competition will take part in the state-level cooking competition. Founder Principal of Imphal Public Higher Secondary School, IPS in Kanchipur, Asim Kennedy has been selected for the International Education Award IEA 2019 and National Education Icon Award EIA 2019. Awards distribution ceremonies will be held in Gujarat on December 1st and in Goa on December 21st. Silver Jubilee celebrations of Tingkhakau, Rakwan, Chapriek, Phong, Assam, Manipur and Nagaland, which is one of the religious councils of the Kabui community, concluded today. Celebrations started on November 25 on the theme Nurture the Indigenous Religion at Tingkhau Rakwan Shrine in Chingmeirom Kabui village. Co-operator of Imphal Municipal Corporation IMC, PH Ramaibon, BPTRC AMN, Namjailung Pao Thaimai, Co-operator of IMC G Bino, Pradhan of Wangoi Gram Panchayat Roy Golmai and Pradhan of Naharup Gram Panchayat Pradhan Patrik Golmai graced the valedictory event. Religious music, dance and folk songs performances highlighted the event. Mao Imphal Marketing Coordinating Committee in a press release informed that the committee, along with Unemployed Youth Learners Association Porompat, will hold one-day Mao market sale at Porompat Thawantaba Lekai on November 29th. Kanglei Park Students Association KSA held its 14th Foundation Day observance at Tombisana High School in Thangmeiban, Khoyathong today. Speaking on the occasion, KSA President Ningthogjam Chetan asserted that KSA will continue to strive for better educational and health sectors in the society. He extended full support by KSA to movement against CAB and any threats to the integrity of Manipur. Chetan also urged the government to remove restrictions imposed upon candidates to contest in elections from certain constituencies of the state where voting is allowed. Raising the event, international awardee H. Ibotombi Koman lauded KSA for taking active social roles.
Manipur ka chanaba adumba situation jiga chanaba Manipur ka chanaba adumba semangam dabse yamna laibak thibani maramdi kaigina habada akhoi yengzabada even recommend book ta akho tili haitare leitaba adumba furup haitare India gi gazette da yawba Manipur da amen tor ka sepdok pa yabaje seplo hai book ta ngasi book ta semdok ke haina smaina leigiba Manipur gi maru oina bot kabi gi ba sigi maru oina daita chawba lei habase Manipur sembada government pariba jik pariba sigi punging jing sinjere amasung osa singi akhoi 7 pay pidabagi ase problem issue kharatuna lotion biragadi hena phagani khali
miyam ko khongcha kya da moi jum saru yari hoju ji changhel liba akhoi ge ILP issue gi matang da moi phajana saru yagi adu ga hoju ji changhel liba ko mi gi ase sida student union tatari na semba adu su lup asira su moi phajana adum saru yari kep ki matang ka su makhoi aso bat hodang se lowi adu makha ta na su ai asman makhoi leba ki da mata Manipur khunai gi da mata welfare gi da mata aso bat hodang makha ta na dro ki gi ha ba se ai asman thamtage
KSA Jiribam District Council held its 14th Foundation Day observance at KSA office in Babupara, Jiribam today. Speaking at the event, President of KSA Jiribam District Council, L. Bonson, urged students to give priority in getting education for a better and developed society. He also appealed to students not to use unfair means in the upcoming exams to be conducted by BOSM and COSM. 3 saplings were planted at the office of KSA Jiribam District Council and Jiribam DC Complex at Chingdong Laikai on the occasion. Deputy Commissioner of Jiribam, Mayang Lambam Rajkumar, RAS, and Pradhan of Dibong Gram Panchayat, RK Nobinsana, graced the event.
Masiki ekhoi KSA gi 14 Foundation Day asi yam pak chauna mak tawdraga su ekhoi gi maru oiba ekhoi gi koina tawjari bisidi u plantation ekhoi unity strength da adugum ba mafam atopa DC office atopa jiwang mafam ataida ekhoi gi u chara thaba gi program asi adum ngasigi oina tawjari
4-day destination Northeast 2019 held at Vanarasi, showcasing the art, culture, cuisine, handicrafts and handlooms of northeastern region of India concluded yesterday. Northeastern Council, the Ministry of Development of Northeastern Region, organized the festival at IIT Banaras Hindu University, PHU Technology Ground in Banarasi, Uttar Pradesh from November 23rd till 26th. Attending the valedictory event as the chief guest, Art and Culture Minister Langkolakpam Jayantakumar expressed firm belief that the festival will strengthen ties between Northeast states and other states of the country. He drew the attention of the gathering on the scenic beauty of the Northeast states, including Manipur. Minister of State, Food Processing Industries Rameshwar Telly, Minister for Textile and Sericulture Assam Rajit Datta, Director of IIT BHU P.K. Jain, many students and teachers of IIT BHU took part in the event. Workers Union Manipur WUM in a press release informed that those laborers applying for job at the union after December 1st to bring along relevant documents and biodata. All Manipur Bodybuilders Association will organize the 58th Mr. Manipur competition at the multi-purpose indoor hall of Kumalam Park from December 7 till 8. Interested bodybuilders of the gyms affiliated to the association may take the application forms from the association. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Kokomi team arrives in Imphal. Kokomi coordinator Sunil Karam says boycotting on Manipur Sangai Festival 2019 is not lifted yet. Chief Minister appeals to Kokomi and public to lift boycotting of Sangai Festival to make the festival a grand success. Reliable sources says former chairman of proscribed UNLF RK Megan is likely to arrive in Imphal tomorrow. CJM Imphal West grants bail to accused PH Robinson, who was arrested in connection with mysterious death of Standard Robert School girl student. And Shiv Sena NCP Congress combines chief ministerial candidate Uddhav Thackeray stakes claim to form government in Maharashtra today.